In this video, I show you how to fix Discord new login location detected. So if you're trying to log into Discord and then you see this message, this just means you might have logged in from a separate location or you're logging in from a different Wi-Fi. So that's fine. It's just a security check. All you have to do is go to your email. Go to your email and then you will receive an email from Discord. It's going to be something like no reply at discord.com. Then click on it. And then you have to click on verify. Then it's going to take you to a website. Then it's going to verify for you everything. This will take like few seconds. And then it will allow you to sign into your Discord account. So it's very quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.